Okay, here we go. I'm sorry if this camera's a little fuzzy, but I'm not really a YouTuber, but I'm gonna try to show you guys how to get TikTok. If this has helped you, man, subscribe, hit a like. Look in the description of the video. I'll have if you guys want to donate to the channel or whatever. But anyway, let's get it. All right, you go to settings. This is for Androids now. You go to settings. You scroll down till you see apps. Okay, and we're going to go to, now if you use Chrome as your web browser on your Android, if you use Chrome, so you can tap on it here, but we're going to go for the search in case yours is not there. Search and type in Chrome, C-H-R. We see it's already put it up there. Click on Chrome. All right, scroll down until you see Install Unknown Apps right there. Click on that. Make sure that's allowed or this won't work. Make sure that's allowed. Okay, then you go back home. All right, now we go to Chrome. Now up here, we type in TikTok, T-I-K-T-O-K space A-P-K. All right, enter, and it takes you to that, up to down. All right, click on that. There's TikTok. We're gonna get version 38.4.3. All right, see here where it says get the latest version? Click on that. All right, that's an ad up here at the top, the X. Click on the X. Okay, do not click on that install right there. You just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. See where it says download? See, it's loading. All right, finally it's loaded. 409.84 megabytes. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna hit home right quick and show you something. There's no TikTok on my phone. Forgot to show you that, see? There's the T's, no TikTok on my phone. There's the T's. All right, hit the home button again. Go back to Chrome where we were. All right, now, remember to download what I was about to do? Here we go, hit download. All right, it says, do you want to download the file again? I already downloaded it, but I'm gonna hit yes. Download. Oh, file might be hard. Download anyway. Okay. See at the top, download. Open. Do you want to install this app? Install. It's installing. App installed. All right, you press done. Don't forget, guys, go to subscribe or like. You can even get donations. If you care to give a donation, go to the description in the channel. Scroll up to my apps, and there's TikTok. Click on it. And there you go. Have to sign in. But there you go. All right. So you can sign in and do your thing. All right. So there it is. Like I said, like, subscribe. I'll do one for the iPhone if I get enough interest in this video. All right, man, y'all. There you go. Put it on your phones and get back to TikToking. Peace.